What we have for you today here is the Maono WM620 microphone system, and I'm not really gonna do an unboxing here because we were already using it for a few things in the past. So this microphone is technically available in 6 colors, as you can see here, but even on their official website, it's only available in 2 colors. So it's only black and purple. We opted for black color because audio equipments are usually in black. And then when we open it up, we have these 3 things. It's technically using the TWS earbuds concept for microphones. Actually, a lot of companies are doing this now, but the execution between companies are different. So Maono chose to do this. So you got a USB-C audio interface here. You got USB-C plug here so you can power it up and then use the audio jack to connect to your camera and whatnot, or maybe your laptop if you want to, but you can directly just plug it in via a USB Type-C port if you want to. Okay, then at the bottom of this dongle here, we have 2 things. One button here is to mute or toggle ANC. Yes, they do have ANC for your voice. And then this slider here is for gain. So you have a total of 4 levels of gain. I am usually just gonna use it at 1 because it's already actually very loud, so I don't know why you want to amplify it even more. Then for the microphones themselves, this is a dual microphone system, so when you take it out, it will automatically power on. And this microphone here is pretty simple in terms of design. It's as far as I know, their website says this thing shapes like a macaroon, so that's why it's available in many different colors, because it's fun that way. You have audio jack here, so you can plug in something like a lav mic coming out of this transmitter, and then you can mute your own microphone. You can toggle the music mode. I don't know why you want to use this, but okay, if you want to do karaoke and whatnot. Then this is to toggle ANC. Then power button. This one I usually don't use it because you can charge it with the case anyway, so if you want to charge it this way directly via USB-C cable, you can. And this thing has 2 microphones, one at the top, one at the bottom here for ANC purposes, and that's pretty much it in terms of design. So for sound quality, I'm gonna just use my phone here because this kind of microphone, it's very simple to use. So you can just then we can start recording using the external microphone. So this microphone, as you can see here, there are a few LEDs. So if I press the ANC button, it will turn on, and then we press again, it will go into level 2 ANC. Yes, there's actually 2 levels of ANC. Then if I press one more time, then the ANC will be gone. And one good thing about this transmitter is that we can see which microphone is paired to the this receiver here. So we can see TX1, TX2 is in solid white, so they are both connected. But I will only use one microphone for this video, so I will put it back, and then we can see TX1's light is now blinking. That means it is not connected. Maono, meaning vision in Kiswahili. I don't know what language. Swahili. It should be called Swahili, right? Maono, meaning vision in Kiswahili, is the global best-selling internet brand, microphone brand that products are sold well in 153 countries worldwide. Why the grammar is a bit weird. Maono, meaning vision in Kiswahili, is the global best-selling internet microphone brand that products are sold well in 153 countries worldwide. I still think the grammar is a bit weird. But yeah, generally, that's how this microphone will sound. If you want to get this microphone, it's actually quite affordable. Currently, it's 250 ringgit Malaysia, but originally, it's like 440. Yeah, very versatile in terms of how you want to use the microphone. And we actually use it in one of the live stream in Taiwan. The video quality kind of sucks because the internet was kind of buggy in the exhibition area, but the audio is great. So we were actually just using this microphone connected to this phone, and then we walk around and talk. So yeah. So Jector is pretty much like a advanced digital whiteboard.
Advanced, yes, of course, with this supporting a hybrid classroom
hybrid classroom.
idea.